Okay, today I think it's time to draw us a reindeer. So we are going to start with a circle right about there. We're going to do another circle right over it, kind of intersecting with each other. There we go. Let's see, we're going to do some little long circles here. And let's see, we're going to do a couple of nice big eyes right like that. And we got to do the nose. And we got to do a smile right here. And I'm just going to draw some sticks coming out of here like this. And then off of each stick, we'll just do a couple of little, almost like a branch. There we go. We've got them pretty much roughed in. So that's where we're going to start. So it's time to ink in. So I'm going to start really by doing just the top of the head here. Just do a little bit of hair there. And then we're going to trace on the outsides of these lines to do our horns. Or antlers, rather. I should have known that. There we go. There's one. And there we go. We got two antlers there. Now we're just going to do the ears real quick. Point those up a little bit. There we go. Just draw the inside part of the ear there. That's pretty easy. Now we're just going to trace around these two circles to give him the shape of his face. There we go. Let's get those eyes in. There we go. Let's get those eyes going here. We're going to do some half lids here. There we go. Get those eyeballs in there. There we go again. Let's get that nose in. We're going to shape the nose up a little better here. There we go. Let's darken that nose in. Okay. I think we know where we're going here. Keep that reflected light in here. And let's get that big smile going. There we go. We'll just finish off with some teeth. Do a little lower lip, some little cheeks. And there you have it. You got yourself a reindeer. All you got to do, wipe out those pencil lines with an eraser, and you have a finished cartoon. You guys have a great day, and we'll see you again.